Now it's time to have a look at the orders section. So orders, restrict admin, that's all good. Obviously we need to replace this one with this object URL, get action. Now we can save and close the file and open our list.php inside of the orders directory. First of all, what we're going to do, we're going to replace this one actually, going to remove it, and we start with if is set post srch, exactly same way as we've done with the products section, else we're going to display the page. This is basically for the search form. Let's indent all these lines of code in the else statement and then add the closing curly bracket after template foot. Obviously remove straight away this template / and let's go for the header as well, do the same so we can forget about this. That's all good. Now inside of the is set post search, rather than typing all this, let's open our products directory list and copy the entire thing like that. If we paste it in, we have it all done basically. So get current and helper redirect, which is all good. We obviously need to add this search as well here. So again, same thing. To save us a little bit of time, let's copy this line and paste it, / URL and code, decode, sorry, and that's all done. We obviously need to add object URL to the paging class as well as the first parameter, so this object URL, then comma orders, and remove completely this paging underscore URL. Now for the action, we can leave our action blank, or we can do the same as we've done in the products section. So let's copy this one actually to stay consistent with everything we do. And for the action, let's just use get current search, remove this get params to false search. We are okay here. Remove the strip slashes function, which is wrapping the search output variable here. And then we check if is an empty rows. We have all these parameters. Obviously, we need to amend the links as well. So scroll down. If we scroll down here, I'm going to go to the list for the products as well, just to make it all easier for myself, really. And if we copy the entire href attribute for the remove, look at our remove here. The only thing is obviously we need to use the order variable. So we just paste it for the href attribute. Rather than product, it's going to be order array. Exactly same thing for the edit. So let's copy this, replace the href attribute here. And rather than remove, this time it's going to be edit. And once we've saved this, that's all we need. So we can save and close the file.